You will receive two packages, one large and one small. First, let's open the small accessory box. Here are all the accessories included in the package. Next, open the large box. Please follow the instructions to open from the bottom to install the wheels. Reversal bottom. Flip the box over and open the bottom flaps. Take out the user manual and other accessories. Tear off the protective film. Find the toolkit screwdrivers and the 4 wheels. Install the wheels at these 4 designated locations. Secure each wheel firmly with the provided screws. Once the wheels are installed, carefully and slowly flip the machine back to its upright position. Lift the cardboard box upwards to reveal the machine. Tear off the protective film. Check and remove any protective padding from inside the machine.